If you have difficulties connecting with other people, then this video is for you. When I was younger, I used to have a lot of difficulties connecting with other people because I would see other people as sometimes like people like that behave bad, and therefore I would not be able to connect with them because I would just find it annoying. But I want you to realize that if you think like this, that you don't connect with other people because they annoy you or whatever, then I want you to have another perspective about it, because you see, what is blocking us is our judgment of other people and how we see the world. And how we see the world primarily comes to how we see ourselves and our relationships with ourselves. So the more easygoing you are comes as a byproduct of actually loving yourself more and being more compassionate with yourself. So what I want you to do, in better to connect with other people, is first to develop a good relationship with yourself. You need to develop, first of all, compassion to when you make mistakes. Compassion to when you do the things wrong. Compassion, I'm not saying that you are not going to work on yourself. I'm saying that you're going to develop acceptance for the erroneous side of ourselves, the things that we do wrong, and that's going to make us creating us this peace with ourselves, which then we can also then extend onto others. But you first need to accept that sometimes you make mistakes, and so there is a technique which helps people do this, and this is the technique is called accepting the shadow. You can YouTube this in case you want to follow the exercises. YouTube how to accept the shadow from Carl Jung, and that's going to help you a lot. Basically, what the shadow is every behavior that we have, or everything that we see ourselves of being, our behavior, our body, right? And the shadow is every aspect that we don't like about our lives, that we don't like about our body, that we don't like about our behavior, that we don't like about the situations happening in our life. And what we're going to do is we are actually going to accept them. For example, that we sometimes just mess things up, man, and that we just we just lack in certain areas. When you do that, and when you become more accepting of yourself, and you just accept that sometimes we are a little bit stupid, then we're going to laugh at ourselves, and we're going to become happy. When people make mistakes, we're going to laugh too, because we're all stupid.